Hi guys! Do you want to give your PC a new look? Let's dive straight into it. First, open Microsoft Store. Then type Lively Wallpapers. Select the first one. Install it. It is completely free and open source. Then go to your browser and search motionbgs.com. You will find countless of interactive wallpapers. You can choose the genre you like. Download it in 4K or HD, whatever you like. Then open Lively Wallpaper again. Select and upload your downloaded wallpaper here. It will take a few seconds to optimize your wallpaper. After the wallpaper is uploaded, go to Control Manager. Resize and adjust the settings as you like. You can also add screensaver. You just need to download some additional files. Let's go check out our pretty new wallpaper. It looks quite nice. Now to the next step. Right-click your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. In Settings, select Search option and tone it to Hide. Also turn off Task View and Widgets to make it look clean. Then scroll down a bit. In Taskbar Behavior section, click Hide Taskbar Automatically. Change your taskbar alignment to the center. Voila! Look how nice it looks. Also, you can download a digital clock from store. It will make your home screen cooler. Open the clock app and select the theme. You need to set it up as widget. There is a lot of options to choose from. Select your favorite clock. Adjust the settings. Don't forget to turn off the opacity so your animated wallpaper shows.